Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on role of Tarun Ram Phukan in India's freedom struggle. Essay in English. Introduction. Tarun Ram Phukan was a prominent figure in India's freedom struggle, contributing significantly in the cause through his activism, leadership and advocacy for independence from British rule. His role and influence spanned various aspects of the movement, making him a pivotal figure in India's journey towards freedom. Early life and background. Tarun Ram Phukan was born on June 15, 1950 in Guwahati, Assam into a family known for its social and political activism. His early life was marked by a strong sense of justice and a deep commitment to serving his countrymen. Influenced by the prevailing nationalist sentiments of the time, he became increasingly involved in the freedom struggle from a young age, contributing to the freedom movement. First, leadership in the Indian National Congress. Phukan's journey into active politics began with his association with the Indian National Congress (INC), the principal organization advocating for independence. He quickly rose through the ranks due to his dedication, organizational skills, and ability to mobilize people. Second, role in civil disobedience movement. Phukan actively participated in various civil disobedience movements initiated by Mahatma Gandhi and the INC. His role in organizing protest rallies and boycott against British policies was crucial in amplifying the voice of dissent across the country. His ability to mobilize people from diverse backgrounds and regions made him a formidable leader. Third, imprisonment and sacrifices. Like many freedom fighters of his time, Phukan faced imprisonment and persecution for his activities. He endured hardship and sacrifices, including long period of incarceration, yet remained steadfast in his commitment to the cause of freedom. Advocacy for social reform. Phukan's vision extended beyond political independence. He was also a staunch advocate for social reform and upliftment of the marginalized section of society. His efforts in promoting education, social equality, and economic empowerment left a lasting impact on the communities he served. Legacy and impact. First, influence on future generations. Phukan's contribution to India's freedom struggle inspired countless individuals to join the movement and continue the fight for independence. His leadership qualities and unwavering dedication set a precedent for future generations of activists and leaders. Second, post-independence contribution. After India gained independence, Phukan continued to be actively involved in nation-building activities. His insight and experience were valuable in shaping policies and initiatives aimed at fostering unity, development, and progress across the newly independent nation. Conclusion. In conclusion, Tarun Ram Phukan's role in India's freedom struggle was pivotal and multifaceted. As a leader, organizer, and visionary, he played a significant part in mobilizing masses, advocating for reforms, and enduring hardship for the greater cause of independence. His legacy continues to inspire and remind us of the sacrifice made by countless individuals who fought tirelessly for India's freedom. Tarun Ram Phukan's contribution remain etched in the annals of India's history as a testament to the power of determination and the quest for justice and freedom. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comment. Bye friends.